Hello.
Oh, how are you?
I'm very good, thanks. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks for asking.
Good, good. So are you living in the capital city?
This is not the capital, but it is one of the important city in Saudi Arabia. It is Al Khubar.
Oh, I know. Is it famous for dates or plums? I'll
Dates.
have
I
it.
think the Saudi Arabia is famous for dates, but
Yeah, yeah.
yes, we have a lot of variety of dates here.
Yeah, 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 I see. I get a lot of
So,
students from Saudi Arabia.
okay, I thought maybe you have been in Saudi Arabia. That's
No, not yet. Maybe one day, because I know it's very open to tourists now, isn't it? It's very tourist friendly. Are you happy that you moved to Saudi Arabia? Like, what would it be like in Pakistan now working as a teacher?
no, it is much better than Pakistan.
Hmm.
Because these days the situation in Pakistan is not very good, and most of the teachers are losing their jobs.
Oh
So
no.
at least we are getting our salary.
Do you travel? Do you like traveling?
I love traveling, but I haven't got a lot of chance of
Not this year,
traveling.
anyway.
Yes, this year the things are very difficult.
Yeah, it's
Even
been a hard year.
yes, even we couldn't go to our home, to
Hmm.
our country in this summer vacation because of the COVID-19.
Hmm. Yeah, I know, I know. It's hard. It's been crazy for everyone. But Saudi Arabia is open now, isn't it? Like the shops and everything are open now.
Yes, there is no lockdown, no curfew,
Mm.
but it's still international flights are not available.
Yeah, what do you think about that? Are you happy with that?
No, obviously I'm not, because I wanted to go to my home.
Yeah, it's summer holiday now, isn't it? The schools are finished for the summer.
Uh, our summer vacation is over, and we started going to school 2 days back.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah. So what part of Pakistan are you from?
I'm from Karachi.
Yeah, that's right next to India, isn't it?
I beg your pardon?
It's there. It's like near India.
Yes,
Yeah, not far from
exactly.
India. Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
India is
It's
our neighboring country.
yeah, yeah. You've got like a rivalry, haven't you, with cricket? The cricket rivalry between India and
Yeah,
Pakistan is like a legendary rivalry.
yes.
Yeah, yeah. It's like England and Germany football. They've got a very historical rivalry in football, so you guys have that in cricket.
Yes.
Yeah. So is your native language Arabic?
No, my native language is Urdu.
Oh,
Yes.
cool. Urdu, okay. Urdu. I've never spoke to a person. Well, I must have. I've spoke to a student from Pakistan before. Yeah, so it's Urdu. Cool, okay. So in Saudi Arabia, are you speaking English or do you speak Arabic?
In Saudi Arabia, we speak English.
Ah, I see. Okay. Yeah, it's like English is like the world language now, isn't it? If there's the one common language, they speak English.
Yes.
Yeah. So what's your shift pattern? Do you work like 9 till 5 every day, or what hours do you work?
It's 9 to 1.
Oh, nice. That's a nice day.
But it is only because the students are not there.
Yeah.
Once the students join the school, then our duration will become like uh, from 7:30 till 2:30.
Oh, okay. Yeah, in the UK, it's like a school day is like 9 till 3:30. But then the
Okay.
teachers have to stay behind until like 5 or 6 p.m. They have like a lot of work to do, planning and all that kind of thing. That's why I'm glad I'm doing online now, because it's hard,
There
isn't
is
it? It's
there is
hard being a
no
teacher.
yes, there is no lesson planning, worksheets, and notebook checking.
Yeah,
That's true.
yeah, yeah.
But I think the salary is not equal to what we get from school.
I agree with you.